The Motheo Technical College is situated in Bloemfontein, in the heart of the Free State Province. This college resorts under the Department of Higher Education and Training. The Motheo College offers business, utility and engineering studies across its Hillside View, Tabanshu and Bloemfontein campuses. Each of these campuses has particular attributes, specialist facilities and expertise that allow the Motheo College to provide a wide range of programs and services to communities without undue duplication.
Motheo TVET College is an institution that is internationally recognized, and we are a team of achievers. We are a team of people that believe in succeeding through hard work and dedicated support to each other. In April, as from the 26th of April, we will be receiving an international award for quality excellence and the best trade name in Germany.
In addition, communities in the Motheo and Xhariep Districts are served by satellite campuses in Botshabelo, Zastron and Koffiefontein. Currently, almost 13,000 students are registered at the college.
We are contributing positively towards making sure that we reduce unemployment, we increase active participation in the labour market.
Motheo is the only TVET college with an incubator targeting entrepreneurship. International partnerships were established with colleges at West Lothian in Scotland and Gwent in South Wales. An agreement with the Deutsche Gesellschaft for Internationale Zusammenarbeit now links the Motheo College with the renewable energy and climate projects of this association in Germany. The Motheo College was chosen by the Services SETA for sponsoring the building of a new Artisan Development Academy. The many successes achieved under the leadership of current principal Mrs. Dipilwane Phutsisi was recognized with an award at the Chair Academy's 25th Annual International Leadership Conference in 2016.
We want to thank the College Council for the support to our college community. We want to thank the parents, students, business and industry, as well as various stakeholders for supporting this institution of choice. Thank you.